Hi, I'm Ben.
Hi, I am John. Welcome to Flying Raven Studios. This is the channel where we explore the world of miniature modelling.
We're going to go on that journey with you and explore all the different options and variations that you can get.
Where we cut through all the fluff and the myths and the old wives' tales to help you get the most out of your hobby. So within the world of miniature modelling, there is a vast array of different models and equipment and everything you can possibly think of. So we're also going to explore that world as well to give you the best information so you can choose the right tool or the right model for what you want for your project. So if that sounds good, please bash that like button. It really helps us out and we appreciate it. Thank you.
So yeah, my background is tabletop miniatures and tabletop games right through to Warhammer, Games Workshop, to things like D&D and more recently 3D printing. Nearly 15 to 17 years worth of different games and different kind of experiences with friends and family and all sorts of different things like that. And more recently in the 3D modelling aspect.
So my background was initially scale modelling. So where I was using a wide range of skills and techniques and equipment to try and recreate real life effects on a small scale. So having taken on the additional challenge of miniature modelling, whether that be tabletop miniatures or painting busts, I try and bring those skills and techniques to try and bring that element of realism into my modelling. If you have any questions or been wondering about how do I do this or what am I looking for when I'm buying this certain piece of equipment or how do I get that certain effect, then please drop a question in the comments and we'll try and answer it for you.
Also, if you want to stay in touch with all of the different videos that we've got coming out, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell. Like when you go to say something, you're like, you don't actually know what I'm going to say. There are some videos that you will enjoy over here and there are some playlists that you must watch over here. Once you've done that, obviously make sure you press the subscribe button and the bell notification to stay in touch with everything that we've got coming up. So enjoy, see ya.